Hey guys, it's Mike here with Sentry Security Systems Incorporated, and in this week's video we're looking at the Geovision VMS series heat map feature. Now this video is part of a series that we're running on the VMS software platform. Each week we're going to be issuing a new video covering a how-to on a specific function of the software. This particular function is the heat map software. So you'll notice the video image looks kind of funny. We've got some different coloring here. We've got some blues and greens up here. We've got some reds. What that's doing is it's measuring the motion in the picture and it's changing the color based on how much motion there is. So up here where we've got the leaves really blowing in the wind, it's bright red. This feature, not overly useful in a backyard, more so in a shopping mall, for example. So if you had this, say, in a grocery store, you could take a look at where all of the motion is happening. What path do people take through the grocery store? What aisles are the most popular? And then you could use that to put products in certain places where they're going to be the most visible. Okay, so what I'd like to do now is take a look at how you enable the heat map and how exactly you use it. It's very easy. All you do is you go up here to the upper right hand corner, you go to Toolbar, you click on Configure, and go to Video Process. In the Video Process window under Video Analysis, we're going to click on the drop down box and select Heat Map. You're going to check the camera to enable it in your camera list. Okay, mine's already enabled because I went ahead and did this once already just so that we'd have a little bit of footage to see and some color happening. From here we're going to click on Settings, and this is going to give us our available options. Okay, so you can see the area with the blue checkerboard is the area that I've selected to have the heat map in. Okay, you can add to that by using the plus sign or take away from it by using the minus sign. You can also delete areas as well. That's what the X is for there. The other option that we have in here is whether we want to go full spectral color, which is basically blue to red, or single hue, which is all sort of on the red scale, but getting to be a darker red as it goes through. Okay. You also need to ensure the enable blending is checked or it will not work properly. So that's all there is to setting it up. You can do that on individual cameras, and there's nothing special about the camera. It will work with literally any camera. So we're going to go ahead and click OK to exit back out of here. Now the other thing I wanted to show you was the playback. So in the upper right hand corner, if we go into our view log, just going to make that full screen so it's easier for you guys to see. Okay, so now that we're into the playback, what we're going to do here is right click and go to heat map, and the heat map settings window will open up. So we've got options for the color scheme, same as in the initial setup for the live view. We can go full spectral or single hue, and then we can select a time span. You can do up to a 24-hour period for your time span. So I'm going to say for the last 24 hours until 6 p.m. So that'll go from today at 6 p.m. back 24 hours. And you can see if I change this time, so I change it to 7 o'clock, it'll automatically change the start time because it'll only do the previous 24 hours. If I didn't want to do a full 24 hours, I could go in and I'll select the 23rd for my date, and I'll just back that back. So now I just have that 2-hour period. So once that's done, all you need to do here is click Apply, and it's going to show you on the picture where the heat map was for that time period. So we can see in the trees where it was dark red. So you can imagine in a grocery store how useful this would be to be able to see where your traffic is in the store at different times of the day. If you have any questions on the heat map settings, please contact us at Sentry Security Systems Incorporated, and we'd be happy to help you out. Thank you very much.